Hello there, and welcome to my airspace and my gravelly voice. It's early in the morning, and I've been visiting family in Fallbrook, California, and I've been eating a lot of food I don't normally eat, hence the gravel voice. Anyway, I just stumbled upon this beautiful purple bougainvillea. I don't know that I've ever seen a purple bougainvillea. They're generally fuchsias and reds and some whites and maybe pinks, but purple? Anyway, it's a beautiful plant. Have a wonderful day. Subscribe to my channel. Perform a random act of kindness. Give yourself a hug. And when you perform that random act of kindness, it's anonymous. That's the way you make it random. Here's another one. Oh, here's another one. So it's been raining all night long, and I had to come out into the aftermath of the rain. It's been sprinkling on me a little bit, but mostly not. And anyway, I look at being out in the rain. Look at them. The sun comes out and shines on it. Isn't that lovely? The sun shining on the raindrops and the mustard seeds. It's springtime. It's May 4th. So, yeah. Lots of purple bougainvillea right here. It's too bad they haven't been trimmed well. That's all right. It's perfect. I just like to get rid of the dead wood on plants to let them thrive. Yeah, this one's really healthy and happy. Okay, thank you for subscribing to my channel as I tour around. Coming July of this year, 2023, I will have been traveling around from the bottom of California to the top of Washington for 8 years. I did spend a year or so in Sedona and some other places. Not very long, year and a half, 16 months in Sedona. But otherwise, I'm mostly working on farms and visiting family and friends and just doing my thing. Okay, take care, give yourself a hug, and tell someone I love you. I love you. Bye.